to my kitchen, guys. Look, such an amazing tiger fish. Yes, guys, today we keep doing our fresh, spring, healthy recipes, and I will show you how to make a super delicious al cartoccio. What is al cartoccio? It's a way to cook the food closed inside oven paper, in the way all the juice will remain inside. The heat of the oven plus the vapor inside is gonna cook the food in a really healthy way. First thing first, guys, in this case I want to show you how to clean this tiger fish, but all the fish in general, okay? Follow me, guys. We open the water, and first thing first, guys, we need to clean all the skin, okay? So we just take a normal knife and we're gonna go this way, you see? All the body. Alright, you see? Now the skin is so clean, we're gonna make here a cut under the belly, and we're gonna take out all this part that we cannot use, guys. We cannot eat. This is all the belly of the fish. Okay, we take an oven tray, we put this oven paper on top, and first thing first, we slice really thin our potato. Okay, now we're gonna put the potato all around, and then one layer even in the middle. All right. Now it's time to put some olive oil, pinch of salt, and pinch of black pepper. Now we can put our fish on top, guys. Some other olive oil. Now we cut our lemon. We put 2 slices in the belly of the fish. Now we cut in half our black olives and our cherry tomato. And now we put all the ingredients around. Look how beautiful it is, guys, and how easy it is to make it. And all our nice herbs. Sometime inside the belly, some other times around. And then our meat leaves. Mamma mia, ragazzi, you cannot imagine such an amazing smell. Wow. So now we need to do the cartoccio. We take it, this part, and this part, all right? And we close like a candy. One here and one here. And now our tiger fish al cartoccio is ready to be cooked. 30 minutes, guys, 240 degrees in the preheat oven. Let's go. In the meantime, guys, our fish is preparing and we're dancing and enjoying. I'm gonna show you how to make a really nice garlic olive oil. We take 2 cloves of garlic. We squeeze the garlic cloves inside a small cap. Easy peasy, garlic squeezy. Then we add some olive oil, and we have our garlic extra virgin olive oil ready to put on top of our fish. And here we are, guys, after 30 minutes, our tiger fish is ready. Look how beautiful it is. Wow, such a nice smell. Now how we finish it with our homemade extra virgin garlic olive oil. Wow, such an amazing smell, guys. And here we are, guys. Time to try. You see, all the juice remain inside. Look, this is all the juice. And look how perfectly are cooked all these nice potatoes. You can really taste the flavor of the sea, guys. This mix of herbs, lemon, garlic, simple and nice cherry tomato with black olives. This is authentic Sicilian recipe, and my grandfather is from Sicily. And trust me, in Sicilian island, they know how to make a really nice fish. Actually, everywhere in Italy. So, With this cooking technique, you can do all the fish you like. Calamari, halibut, turbot, whatever. Thank you very much for following me. Many other healthy recipes with Chef Paolo, always here in my kitchen, always for you. Se vedremo!